Oh, nations are breaking and Israel's awakening. The signs that the prophets foretold. The Gentile days numbered with horrors and cumbers. Eternity soon will unfold. Oh, the day of redemption is near. Men's hearts are feeling for fear. Oh, be filled with the Spirit, your lambs trimmed and clear. Oh, look up, your redemption is near. Oh, the fig tree is growing, Jerusalem's restoring, the national lifelong dethroned. Today she is calling, the latter is falling. Return, oh, this verse to your home. Oh, the day of redemption is near. It is near, men's hearts are feeling for fear. Be filled with the Spirit, your lambs trimmed and clear. I look up your redemption. Heaven's powers are shaking, and many are mistaken, meaning to be of the sky. Oh, God's church is the power that's shaking this hour. The day of redemption is nigh. The day of redemption is near. Near, the man's hearts are feeling for fear. Be filled, the Spirit of your lambs trimmed and clear. What you do now? Look up your redemption. Oh, false prophets are lying, false prophets are lying. God's truth they are denying, that Jesus the Christ is our God. Oh, this generation puts God's revelation, the walk where the apostles have trod. The day of redemption is near. Men's hearts are feeling for fear. Be filled with the Spirit, your lambs trimmed